Hey y'all, it's your girl Blue. Okay, so my team let me know that I had a customer email us having questions about our concealers, and so I have them right here. I also have these two as well. They just couldn't fit on my box. So this is what our concealers look like here. The concealers are named Invisible Veil Concealers. They had a question about IV10. IV10 is our darkest concealer. This particular concealer is actually darker than all of our foundations. So you can use this actually as a contour. I was told that the customer wanted to know about putting it in the under eye. This is way too dark for under eye, y'all. This is probably the darkest I would go for under eye if you're this color. It's more for a contoured effect. Is what I would use this for. So concealers can be used for highlighting as well as contouring. I was told that the customer uses dark coffee. If you use dark coffee is around this color right here, IV9. This is probably almost like a perfect match to dark coffee. This is IV7, which is actually my skin tone color, which matches Spice. She wanted a tutorial on how to use dark coffee, so I'm going to show you guys that real quick, okay? So I'm going to show you a tutorial using these three colors, okay? IV10, IV6, and IV5. The customer is dark coffee, so I'm 2 shades lighter than dark coffee. So here we go. I'm going to take IV6, and these dry down very quickly. When you put this concealer on, you want to make sure that you work it in quickly, because it's going to dry down and it's going to stay, okay? See, just like that. Wet the sponge too. And then yes, you see the difference between wetting your sponge and not wetting your sponge. I'm going to go ahead and fill in . This is what you call the T-zone. Anywhere you highlight, those are areas that get bigger. When you contour, those are areas that get smaller. IV5. IV5, this is in areas you just want to lighten up a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit of 5, just right in here. I'm using 3 colors. You do not have to use 3 colors. That's just me. So now I'm going to grab IV10, and I would use IV10 if you want a beautiful chisel, you want like a beautiful contour, that's when I would use this. Looks like brownie batter. It's so pretty. Y'all see that? Look at that rich color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press and I'm going to pat up. And I'm staying along the hairline. And this color, if I'm like really like beating my face, I would bring it all into the eye as well. So y'all see that? Y'all see that deep richness? Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to take my setting powder and I'm gonna go right up underneath the eye like this right here. So now with this, what I would do after that, I'm going to warm up the skin a little bit, because right now what you see is dark and light. So I'm going to use Petal Glam, which is our blush, and I'm going to go in between my contour and my highlight. I like to take it up by the hairline and then bring it down. So that's basically what it looks like. I'm just going to take, this is our powders. This is cookie dough. I'm not sure if we're sold out of this, but we're gonna get it back in soon, so no problem. I'm gonna tap underneath the eye. See how pretty that is? And that's how it looks. So I hope that helped you guys. Hey guys, so this is basically the end of the tutorial. I'm just gonna add a little bit of my lip serum, just to kind of give me some type of lip. There you go. So thank you so much again to the customer that reached out and wanted to see the tutorial. You guys are always welcome to reach out. I'll be more than happy to give you guys a tutorial on how any of my products work. Okay, so thank you so much. And hey, the next video for the next tutorial is coming soon. Thank you guys so much for your support of BluArtistry Cosmetics.